Okay, today we're over at a channel called Be an Entrepreneur by Tarish Singer. I think I've pronounced it right. Oh, sorry if I haven't, Tarish. I've purchased some of Tarish's products before, and he's really good. He's a young Indian entrepreneur that's done really well out of online business and affiliate marketing. And today I wanted to look at this topic. I tried ChatGPT to earn $1,000 per week. What's ChatGPT? If you haven't been under a rock, you would have heard of it. It's a free AI software, and you can use it to create ebooks. You can use it to create software. And today I thought I would, I like this video of Tarish's, so I thought I'd give you an insight to it through Tarish.
Tool can help you build hundreds of businesses just with a few clicks, and the money making potential is absolutely insane with this free AI tool. I saw a lot of people trying this, so I also put my own marketing brains behind it, and just in the past 2 weeks I've started doing this method. Currently I've made around $560 on Digistore. I've promoted Make Money Online, parenting. I will talk about each and everything. Then another $600 over here, $300 are still to be paid to me. After that I have got some hosting sales as well, and all of this has been done just in the past 2 weeks for free. So I'm going to show you each and every step for this, you can say, short to medium term kind of method. Plus I'm also going to show you that how you can use this free AI tool in the long term for long term proper methods as well. So just watch the video till the end. It is going to be a value packed video for unique money making ideas. Now, superb AI tool that has been in a lot of hype right now, and it is for good reason, because this is a tool that will ease out a lot of the processes, a lot of the steps, a lot of the things that you can do for free with this AI tool very easily. So the setting up process is very simple. Just search for ChatGPT. Click over here on try ChatGPT. They will ask you for your email address. Use your Gmail address. They will ask you to verify your mobile number. Do that. Very simple 2-minute process. Once you have done that, now this will be the page where you will come, where over here in the search box, the only trick of using the full advantage of this tool is that you need to know what to ask. You need to know how to ask the question, and this AI tool has each and everything that you can think of. Let's say I search for write an outline for a keto book. As you can see that the AI software is working, and you can see that it has provided me an outline for a keto book that I can write. Here is the different.
So you're starting to get an idea of the power of this software. He's starting to touch on it, but you can actually create your whole book, your whole ebook. It can create copy for your web page. Anyway, let's continue and see what Tarish has got to say.
Different content that I can work on, and all I have to do is I can just search for write 100 words on definition and explanation of ketogenic diet. That will be my first chapter, and I can use the content that it will produce. Then I can again search for write let's say 1 paragraph or 1 chapter on benefits of ketogenic diet. You can see that it has started working. So I can just copy the content it will provide over here, and that will be my 1 chapter. This way I can one by one go and just look for one chapter on each of these topics, and I will have my ebook within minutes. This is the power of this tool. If I just search over here for best cold email script, and you can see that it has started writing a cold email script. So there are literally hundreds of businesses, hundreds of things that you can do from this AI tool. Now, the main method that I have been using to make money in the past 2 weeks, like I showed, is by using different tools, generators. So even if you don't know any tools or any generators, you can just search over here different generator tool ideas, and it will give you a list like password generators, random name generators, then you can say trivia generators, question generators, QR code generators, then EMI calculators. So the whole purpose of this method is to use very simple generator tools and calculators of any kind. Calorie counter, calorie calculator, QR code generator, a short link generator, name generator, password generator, all of those things that you can think of. Like I said, if you just search over here, you will find plenty of ideas. You can search the same thing on Google as well, and you will get plenty of ideas from over here. Now understand the trick over here. See, anybody who is searching for name generators, they are obviously doing that for their baby. So we can promote parenting products to them. Let's say somebody is searching for YouTube name generator. That also I'm going to show you each and everything what we need to do. But first understand the concept. Let's say somebody is searching for YouTube name generator. So obviously he wants to start a YouTube channel. We can promote a YouTube course to them. Somebody is searching for EMI calculator. So definitely they are doing that for a loan. So we can promote different debt products, how to get out of a loan, or different places to take proper loan. If they are searching for, let's say, password generators, so obviously they are concerned about their security. We can promote different VPN providers. If they are, let's say, searching for lottery number generators, so that means they believe in luck. They want to make money, so we can promote different make money online products or spiritual manifestation kind of products. If somebody is searching for QR code generator, that means they have a business. QR code is usually used in a business, so we can promote different hosting services to them, different.
Okay, hope you're following along. If you haven't subscribed to Tarash's channel, once again, Be an Entrepreneur, Tarash Singham. So go and subscribe and watch till the end, because you don't want to miss any of these steps. It is really simple, and this software is so new. It's only been around 6 months and it's sweeping the world, right? And by all means, subscribe and like this video as well. Okay, let's get back to Tarash.
Add services to them, like addcreative.ai that I showed in the previous video. So all you need to do is just search, let's say, on ChatGPT or on Google, or from your general common sense, that what kind of generators and tools there are. Like I showed you a lot: QR code generators, lottery number generators, YouTube name generators, password generators, things like that, and just associate that which product is suitable for which type of a generator. Like I gave you so many examples. So this way we are going to make tons of money with this, like I have done. Now once we have selected a few generators, selected a few tools, we can simply make our landing page using Google Sites for absolutely free. Click over here on blank site. Now the use of ChatGPT will come in creating that tool. Search over here for write HTML code for let's say password generator. So there you have the code. Just click over here on copy code. Come over here on your Google Sites, click on embed, click on embed code, paste this code and click on next, click on next. And as you will see that your tool has already been prepared. You can just place it in the middle like this. You can just enter your page name, that strongest password generator, easiest password generator. Generate a strong password in seconds. Generate unlimited strong password in seconds. This way you can write a proper title. Once you have done that, come down, click over here on text box, and now you can promote different products regarding security. The best thing that I did was promote different VPN providers. So you can just search over here for best VPN affiliate
VPN
programs,
if you didn't understand.
and you can register for any of them and start promoting that. You can just say over here that do you want to increase your security or internet security even more? Once you have said that, click over here on the text box again, and you can just search over here for a few valuable things that you can provide to your audience, information. So I've just searched over here for why using VPN is important. So you can take 5 to 6 points from any of these articles. We are doing this so that we can just ease the audience into the product. We can't just say buy this, buy this, buy this. No, once they have used the tool that they want, now we need to ease them into the product. We need to tell them that why should they buy the product, or how it will help them, or why should they consider buying the product. So Do you want to increase your internet security? After that, you have provided them some valuable information like 9 points that VPN will help you. Why VPN is important? 9 points. Once you have taken the 9 points from here, you can present that over here on your Google sites, and after that, you can promote the affiliate link of any VPN provider. Similarly, let's say you made a calorie counter calculator. You can just search over here for write a HTML code for calorie calculator, and you can paste that code over here by going on embed and click on embed code the same way. After that, you can provide useful information regarding dieting or regarding keto or whatever product you are promoting. Like, do you want to lose more weight in just 2 weeks? Learn how John lost 10 pounds of weight in just 2 weeks. Once you have written that, then over here you can say like 9 points that keto is important, 9 ways keto can help you lose weight, 9 benefits of keto. Once you have said that, once you have written that valuable thing, you can take that from Google itself. After that, you can promote a keto product. I hope you are getting the idea. Once you have provided the tool, after that, provide them some information, general information like I just explained, and after that promote the product. Another thing that I want to point out is that if you search over here for anything, let's say calorie counter code or password generator code, it will provide you each and every code over here. But sometimes what happens is that I was not able to properly use their code. I don't know if it is my fault because I don't know anything about code, or it was something from their side, I don't know. But what happened was, if I searched for QR code generator, it gave me a code, but I was not able to use that for some other reason, I don't know. So if you face any of those issues, you can just go to Google, search over here for HTML code on QR code generator or HTML code on so and so generator or tool, anything. And over here you can take the code from any of these websites, just copy the code like this, copy this, come back to your Google sites, click over here, embed the code, paste it like this, click over here, and there you have your QR code.
Now, as Tarish has pointed out, sometimes things just don't work. And if you have a look on ChatGPT, they tell you that it does make mistakes. Remember, this is very new software, AI, and ChatGPT is about 6 months old. So always double check with it. Also, sometimes it will tell lies. So if you're writing an ebook or you're writing content, just be aware that it could be incorrect. Go and find a website where you can fact check the things, and just be sure for yourself.
So people will enter their website over here and click on generate, and they will have their QR code over here. So this way, for different tools, we will be making different websites, different Google sites. Once you have set up your Google sites, click over here on publish, give it any name you want, any name doesn't matter. Click over here on publish, click over here on this icon, and this is your Google Sites landing page link that you need to start promoting. Like I said, that for different tools, different generators, different Google sites will be made with different products regarding the tool that you are promoting. Over here you can see that I have just copy and pasted the Google site in a new tab, and if I just search over here for, let's say, 10, password length should be 10, it should include, let's say, all of these things. Click over here on generate password, and you can see you can just get unlimited passwords just like this over here. Now the next step will be to get traffic on these Google sites on your calculators. The way I did that was, if you just search over here for best password generators on YouTube, scroll down below and you can see that shorts, 35,000 views, 250,000 views, 40,000 views. What I simply do is, just using my mobile phone, I have my Google sites open over here, and all I do is I just record my screen like this, and I just say that, hi guys, do you want to know the best password generator? The link is in the description box to that website, and all you need to do is click over here, select your password length, click over here on your include tools and generate password like this. So I just show a very quick example of how people can generate passwords and I provide a link to my Google sites in the description box below. The same way, hi guys, do you want to know how to calculate your calories? Here is a website that you can use. The link of that I have provided in the description box below, and you can just click over here and generate your calories. This way I have been making YouTube shorts on all the different tools I have. I have around 15 to 20 tools, and every day I have been making at least one short for each of those tools. The same way, the same content, the same process. I just change it up a bit. Similarly, if you just search for best YouTube name generators, as you can see, 1 lakh views over here, 1 lakh 70 views over here. If you scroll down below, 1 lakh and 60,000 views over here, 50,000 views over here, 1 lakh 30,000 views over here. So this has been getting a lot of views, and I just take ideas from what is working. You can see how they have written the title over here, 100 YouTube channel names in just 10 seconds. So this way I also made my title and my tags, unlimited YouTube channel names in just 10 seconds, 1000 YouTube channel names for free. This way, just see what is working and just make your content around that. Similarly, if I show you another example, best EMI calculator, you can see 60,000 views, 1 lakh 70,000 views, 1 lakh 20,000 views, and the same thing you need to do. This way you can create videos on different tools using what is working, just seeing which type of titles are working for your tool. This way I have been making, like I said, one video per day, YouTube short per day for each of the tools that I have been promoting. 15 to 20 calculators, tools are there that I have been promoting. This is what you can do as well, and this you can say as a short to medium term method that can make you some quick money very easily, because the work is very simple. After that, if I show you that how else you can use ChatGPT for insanely high profitable businesses for making money online, that is, if you just come on Fiverr, search over here for anything. Let's say we search for writing. Just come over here on these categories, and literally anything that has supposed to do with writing, anything, you can do that with ChatGPT. If you just come over here on, let's say, digital marketing, so you can write description, product descriptions, you can write email sequences.
Now, just one proviso, as I mentioned before, ChatGPT does make mistakes, so don't just blindly, well, you can put your ads up, but don't just blindly deliver the content that you create. Make sure you read through it, that it makes sense and that it's factual, because even though it's easy to do, easy to destroy your reputation as well. So that's the only proviso.
Like I showed you, you can write guest posts. If you come on writing, anything you can do from over here, writing ebooks, writing scripts, writing resumes, writing articles, writing books, anything you can do from ChatGPT. If I just search over here for write weight loss product email campaign, as you can see that it has provided me with a subject as well, and it has started writing the email for me as well. So this is what you can do to sell email marketing services. You can write emails for different people, you can write books for different people like I showed, you can use the ebooks for your own promotions as well. So the opportunities are absolutely endless with ChatGPT. You can sell different things on Fiverr without you having any of the skills, without you having to do any of the work. Try and test different things. All you need to do is you just have to ask ChatGPT the proper question and you will have your answer. The only thing that you need to do is you just have to start developing your marketing skills to use these kind of softwares for your advantage.
Now, if you've got any questions or comments about ChatGPT or AI, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and subscribe to the channel to be notified when I update more videos. Now, thanks to Tarish, I'll also put a link in the description below to his channel and go and subscribe. He also offers training and it's well worth it. Till next video.